Here we are again in this room. I have a problem for sure. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Man Event Kicks. I'm here with you today for another video, another cop, double cop. Let's roll that beautiful beam footage. Wow. Okay, let's get to it. My bad, YouTube, bro. I'm learning, man. You know, I'm a work in progress, but ride with your boy. Yeah. This one was courtesy of Foot Locker. Shout out to the good people over there at Foot Locker for. They really ain't do nothing, but I copped the shoes from them, so. Anyways, same box. Bail. I don't know what time it is when you see that box. Boy, size 11. Let's get to the shoe. Unbox this together. Let's do this together. It's kind of warm in here. My hair's still. Black paper, you know what I mean? Wipe these off, boy. Pack it on up. Do that one more in for you. Ew. Filthy. And look, bruh. It low-key match. This is some shit I throw on today, but you feel me? Ooh, let's get them both. Let's get them both up out of here. Let's get this time a little bit. All right. Air Jordan 5 alternate sleeper. Back up, bruh. Sleeper. I even slept. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I slept on this shoe. You feel me? But this mug, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This is Barney purple. Like, this is Barney if he was fresh in the neighborhood. These was the ones he was wearing, bro. These might be Barney skinned. You feel me? Shout outs to PETA. But these might be Barney skin. Nevertheless, these clean, bro. I'm not gonna lie. And if y'all seen my last video, I had to get them Asics up out of here. No disrespect to the Asics, because I obviously digged them, but they basically were the same color, same colorway. Feel me? Same colorway, and that just wasn't necessary. I don't need that with the Court purples too. But you definitely got, we got our suede here. These is getting the spray down, obviously. The smoke gray, clear netting. That's on all the 5s. If you don't know the 5s, I mean, welcome to the channel. But you should definitely know those. We got the clear lace lock with the what they call this. With the emerald. Is that what that say? Ice. My bad. Ice new emerald is what they call it. I call it turquoise, teal, aqua something. You feel me? Inside we got our Jumpman tab, and man, they got these mugs laced up like a, you know what I'm saying? One of them dudes that shouldn't be wearing the shoes. You ever been out and seen a dude with some J's on, bro? And them mugs be tied up hella tight. You just be wanting to just walk over to his shit and just yank it like this. Like, bro, if you don't loosen them, you know what I'm saying? Like, where are you from? We don't wear our shoes like that where I'm from. So you got the teal inside with the black Jumpman. Also, black laces, and purple. Did I fail to mention purple? Yeah, man. You got the black midsole with that new emerald shark teeth, fighter jet teeth, whatever the hell you want to call it. You know, your classic 5 air bubble, blah, 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 translucent sole with a deep purple grape Jumpman logo, solid black Jordan icy back as well on your heel, which brings me to the one gripe that I would have about these grapes. The Jumpman. That's it. If they could have put Nike Air on here on the back, I'm not even going to be thirsty and beg for it to be that emerald Nike Air on the back. That just would have been flame, fire, whatever, to drop the emoji in there right there. You feel me? But even if it was black, that would have made these just crazy, bro. Crazy. But I'm gonna hit y'all with the lace swap. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna see that before the end of the video. Make sure you stick around for that. And again, don't forget to thumbs up your boy, like, share, comment. You know what I'm saying? Tell your pastor, tell your mama, tell your whoever. You feel me? Just show your boy some love. But you know what I'm saying? My rating on this shoe, man, I'm gonna have to give this out of 10. This is a solid 7.8. Especially with the lace swap, bro. I'm giving it an 8.5 on the lace swap. You feel me? But anyways, I was able to cop myself a personal right here. These is personal full show, size 11 from Foot Locker. All right. So yeah, let me know what y'all think. Did y'all cop? I see a couple of y'all out there. Shout outs to my boy KJ. You know what I'm saying? Showing me some love, and my main man Kenny. They know who they are, man. I appreciate the love, for real. So yeah, let me know what y'all think of these. What y'all think of these? Dude, these is fine. These fine. So I'm gonna move on to the second pair. We're gonna leave these over here. We're gonna leave them right there. We go right there. Yeah, let's do it right there. Let's do it right there. Now let's just go ahead and put them over here. Let's put them right there. Yeah. Number 2. This actually right here is a very special pair and was more important than mine because my sister just recently graduated from high school. She told me she wanted a pair of J's. She never got a pair of J's. My mama was not spending that money, so you know what I'm saying? She was not having them. So she don't even know I got these lined up. And you know, again, shout out to my girl who was able to snag these off of the sneakers app. And we got 2 of these. Grapes on grapes on grapes on these hoods. I'm sorry. Now, so you know, we was able to double lock it up on that good Saturday. However, now let this be any other day or something else, and me just trying to get 2 pairs. So it ain't gonna happen, bro. It's not gonna happen. They gonna play games. You feel me? But anyways, man, again, shout out to all the people that's taking the time out to view my videos and, you know, just mess with your boy during this journey. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna get up out of here. If you ain't learned yet, man, I'm not gonna go into a lot of detail, most likely because you've seen this video already. You've seen this shoe already. And I just ain't got the time to, you know, just crank out videos like that. So, you know, I be getting shoes, but I'm just a little behind on it. You feel me? So, bear with your boy, man. The content is coming. I am getting the hang of this thing. So, it is what it is. I don't even know what I'm doing right now, bro. I'm just moving shoes around. You feel me? Yeah, man. It's your boy, Main Event Kicks. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. Mess with your boy. We're going to keep that content coming. Oh, yeah.